Prevention measures against caustic soda. Caustic soda is a hot substance that burns quickly. It destroys skin and is harmful to the eyes. Even diluted forms can irritate with frequent exposure. Key points for safe handling. Prevent splashing, mist, and dust. Avoid accumulation on floors and equipment. Wear recommended protective equipment. Follow first aid procedures if exposed. Heating caustic soda when mixing with water causes splashes. Too much caustic with little water creates heat and potential explosions. Ensure containers are clean and dry before use. Pour carefully to avoid spills and splashes. To prevent dust, break material inside the container. Cover with burlap when stirring. Use a hose, not a broom, for cleaning dust. Clean floors, walls, and machines daily with hot water. Clean spills immediately to prevent them from hardening. Wear long-sleeve cotton overalls. Ensure sleeves are outside gloves, pants over rubber boots. Wear a rubber apron and always use safety glasses. Never work with caustic soda without eye protection. Some have lost their vision by neglecting eye protection. Respiratory protection is essential. Keep respirators in use, not in storage. If exposed, wash with water immediately. Remove contaminated clothing and shower for 30 minutes. Don't neutralize with acid, water is most important. If caustic soda enters eyes, wash them for 30 minutes. Never apply creams or eye drops without a doctor's advice. Neutralizing with acid may worsen the damage. After washing, go to the emergency room or first aid station. Treat skin damage like a regular burn. Caustic soda is vital in our plant, but safety is a priority. Follow proper handling and safety procedures at all times.